So this brand is my favorite cough drops. I love them. So these ones are the honey lemon ones. They are sugar-free and made with stevia. No added color, as you can see. This is the size of them. This box comes with 18 drops in them. They're made with a blend of herbs and vitamin C. They got a little menthol to them. Great, help you out with a cough during the day or at night, just to get you through. Really like these cough drops. Highly recommend if you're looking for a new cough drop. They come in this package, as you can see. So if you're looking for a new cough drop with that honey and lemon taste, this is the brand you should get.